Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So I do these every single year on my channel. So I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and are looking forward to the new year. So today I'm going to give you some ideas on how to create a really affordable drugstore easy New Year's Eve makeup look that won't take too long. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start by priming my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base Primer, and I'm going to blend that in then with my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so for foundation I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F1. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. Okay, so for concealer I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Okay, now to set that down, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in Transparent. And I'm going to use my small tapered brush by e.l.f. to set my eyes. Then I'm going to use my You Spicy 31 brush to set my whole face. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Contour Palette, and I'm going to contour my face using my You Spicy 27 brush using the Contour shade. Then I'm going to use the bronzy side using my Real Techniques blush brush. Then for blush, I'm going to be using the Natural Collection Powder Blush in the shade Pink Cloud on another Real Techniques blush brush, a different one. Then for highlighter, I'm using my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. And I'm going to apply it with my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes, and I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 palette and a Colourpop single eyeshadow. First of all, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Redemption palette Iconic 1, and I'm going to go into this brown like latte colour here, and I'm going to pop that then through the crease on my Morphe M441 brush. So then I'm going to jump into the Redemption 3 palette, and I'm going to go into this, can you see it here? This one, it's hard to explain the colour, but it's like a matte pinky grey colour. So I'm going to go into that and put that through the crease. And then I'm going to go into the darker purple as well. It's also another matte one. And I'm going to just do the same thing. Now I'm going to apply this Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Revolution. I'm going to pop that all over the lid. It's like a glittery, really sparkly colour. It's stunning. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with that darker purple and just go over and blend the crease. I'm now going to go into the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2, and I'm actually going to be using a matte black now. I'm going to use the Morphe G16 brush, and I'm going to go into the matte black shade and put that on the outer corners. Then I'm going to go back over the Colourpop shade. And then going back in with that purple shade and blending everything into the crease again. Then I'm going to go over those colours then that I've used on top, and I'm going to smoke them out on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel on my eyebrows quickly. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Precision Eyeliner Pencil in Black Magic by Rimmel London. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some of my Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Okay, now for lips, because the eyes are quite bold, I'm going to stick to a nude lip. So I'm going to line my lips with the Maybelline Gigi Hadid lip liner in the shade Taura. I think it says Taura. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. So there you have it. This is my completed New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. It didn't even take that long, and I think it's pretty simple and straightforward. So I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And leave a comment down below what your New Year's resolution is going to be for this year, for next year. So leave that in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope you have a lovely, happy New Year. See you next year. Bye.